What if calm, connection and creativity don't start in the mind, but in the body? Because the body feeds the brain. When we move, breathe, laugh and play, the nervous system settles and the brain can learn, relate and thrive. That's the heart of Neuro-Dramatic-Play, or NDP, an attachment-based approach that works through the natural stages of play: sensory, messy, rhythmic and dramatic. So regulation, resilience and real relationship can grow. And it's not just for kids. NDP supports people across the lifespan, from babies and young children to teenagers, adults and people living with dementia. If you're a therapist, teacher, early years practitioner, social care professional, coach, facilitator or family member, this approach can transform the way you meet the humans in front of you. At our one-day conference, you won't just hear about NDP, you'll feel it. Through guided, embodied experiences, you'll explore how body-based play can shift stress into calm, chaos into meaning, and disconnection into belonging. Then we'll translate that experience into clear takeaway tools you can apply straight away in your own work setting. On Monday morning, not someday. This year's theme is discovering our authentic body self. From chaos to calm. Join renowned NDP experts Dr Sue Jennings, Dr Clive Holmwood and Marianne, Marcote for a full day of workshops, lectures and presentations, plus the launch of the new book, The Handbook of Neuro-Dramatic-Play. NDP is innovative and it's becoming an exciting practice worldwide. Past participants have called it life-changing, so come and see for yourself. Saturday, 7th of March 2026, 10 till 5 p.m. in Dublin. Book your place now at ndpltd.org/conference 2026. The body feeds the brain. Let's play our way back to connection.